This upgrade pack enables you to use some of the features now available with BrewFlo version 2 with your current version 1 BrewFlo. These upgrades enable you to use newly designed keg caps with stainless steel valves, ball lock fittings, and simplified beer lines. Note, new keg caps are only compatible with the latest self-standing kegs, easily identified by the feet on the base. The pack includes airline with airline connector, FloCon and keg filling cap. Fitting the airline and connector is simple and quick. Open the lid of your BrewFlo, then unscrew the airline bulkhead by turning anti-clockwise and remove airline and nut. Place the end of the new airline on the bulkhead, then firmly fasten nut. The new filling cap and FloCon should be stored safely until use. Your BrewFlo is now ready to use with new improved keg caps and FloCon. When you're ready to install a keg, watch the BrewFlo installing a keg video.